This yours?
Yeah.
Can I get some shots?
Okay, go for it.
Yeah.
All right, we're here today with Ross. He's going to show us his BRZ and tell us a little about it. What year is it?
This is a 2013 BRZ. I've owned it for about 7 years now. It was actually my first project car ever, like my first thing I've ever gotten that I've ever done any mechanical modifications to. I learned everything on this car. It's a beautiful platform to work on.
Yeah, they're pretty popular.
Yeah, they're super popular.
Yeah, my sister has one. She always talks about it, but I don't know much about them. It looks like you have a supercharger there.
Yeah, I put a supercharger kit on it. So the whole engine right now, I've got the Edelbrock supercharger. I've redone the clutch. I've redone the flywheel. It's running E85 on a flex fuel kit. It's got just about everything you can do on it. The only stock parts of it really are the engine and the transmission. I've dropped a new clutch in it. Got new headers on it, new exhaust. I've done the whole works. I mean, everything I wanted to learn how to do, basically, I put on here.
Okay.
It's about 340 wheel horsepower right now, which is
that's legit. What's the weight on a BRZ?
With me sitting in it, it's about 3,000 pounds.
Oh, no, that's good.
Yeah. So it's a nice little power to weight ratio. To me, this is like my dream car. Like, you know, it doesn't, for what I've paid for it, for what I've worked on it, for what it does, and how it performs, it's basically my dream car. It's kind of like my OEM plus.
This oil cooler, is that stock or is that aftermarket?
No, that's an aftermarket. I got a Jackson Racing dual oil water radiator in the front, and it comes with this sweet little mount that basically, this part here pops into where your normal oil filter is, and it scoots it out down to the oil filter, and then
that's mounted here in the front.
Yep, so right down there, right in front of the radiator.
Oh, nice. Well, that's big too.
Yeah, it's a nice big one.
Yeah.
A lot of these cars don't come with any oil cooling, so when you start doing FI on them, it's really important to make sure you keep the oil cool.
So, are you running? What are you running? 91 or?
It's E85.
E85. Oh, it's a flex fuel.
So I can put either or in it. But mostly I run E85 right now because it's $3.
Yeah. Now, did you have to change out any of your lines, or was it compatible?
I changed out all the fuel lines.
Okay.
It's a newer car, so the pump was compatible and all of that, but the fuel lines weren't like the most up to spec ones. So I changed out all the fuel lines from the front to the back, put in new injectors so that I have a little bit of overhead. The E85 has kind of famous for clogging the injectors, so you want a little overhead. Got a 750cc injectors in this right now, and that's really all I had to do.
What size injectors?
750cc.
Oh, that's big.
Yeah, it's pretty big. It's overkill for this, for sure.
It doesn't run rich?
Well, I mean, the computer controls it all. So
yeah.
They're adjustable. Like,
did you have it tuned?
Yes.
Who tuned it?
I had the Racers line in Concord.
Okay, you like him? I'm looking for a tuner.
He's a great guy. Neil himself doesn't do the tuner, but he knows a lot of people that do that, and he specializes in these BRZs, 86s.
Okay.
So their tuner, they know everything about tuning these inside and out.
Yeah.
They're great platform. You know.
Well, that's nice. I appreciate you sharing this with me.
Yeah, it's cool, man.
All right. Well, it was a pleasure meeting you, Ross.
What's your name, man?
Brett. Pleased to meet you,
man. Yeah.
All right. And you could check me out on Brett Media. It's on YouTube.
Oh, okay.
It'll be a couple weeks before I actually post.
Cool. Awesome. I'll add that on. I love that stuff.
But I'm trying to document our car culture in more of a positive atmosphere. I know there's some negative things. I've been in some meets where it turns into a sideshow. But and obviously I still show that too, because that gets viewership, right? People all over the world interested.
I feel like a lot of the people that come to these though actually kind of hate the sideshows.
We hate them, but from a marketing standpoint,
people love watching.
A marketing standpoint, I have to still show it if it happens, because people all over the world will tune in to see that sort of
Yeah.
thing, even though it's not something I'm really promoting. And I kind of need to say that I do not promote sideshows, although I do feature it often on the channel.
You know, you just do what you gotta do. It's fine. You know, it's different shows. You know, different crowds.
Yeah.
I'm from San Jose, so
Okay.
I go to a lot of shows that turn into sideshows.
Yeah.
Where it's like, I'm cool if it's like a sideshow already, but like, you know, I don't know. So a lot of times people try to bring out their cool cars, and then it turns into a sideshow, and the cops get involved.
Yeah. I mean, it's a bad look for us as a community.
Yeah, it makes us look bad.
But you know, as someone that's documenting what's happening, I have to show it. I can't
cool
edit that
watch.
out.
It's cool watch. I'll give it that.
All right, Ross. Well, it was nice talking to you today. I'm going to see if I can get a couple more cars
It's nice
before they
talking
go.
to you too, man.
All right, take it easy.
Thank you.
Can I get some shots of your car before you drive off?
Yeah, go ahead.
I love it. Does that still have the rotary engine in it?
Oh, yeah.
I'm recording for YouTube. You okay with that?
Yeah.
All right, cool. All right, I'm here with Gary today, and we're going to go over his Mazda rotary pickup truck. So I've never seen one of these before. They're pretty rare, I'd imagine.
Yeah, they made them for 4 years, 74 through 78,
Oh, okay.
and North America only. So Japan, Australia, nobody else got them.
How many owners have it had?
As far as I know, I believe 3.
And still the original block?
Yeah, freshened up once.
Nice. Oh, it looks clean.
But yeah,
I love
original
it.
block.
I love it.
So it's as original as possible. The air cleaner's the wrong year, and then it has header and exhaust on it and flywheel.
All right.
Other than that, the way it sits is all original.
Okay. And do you daily drive it, or is it just a weekend?
No, just a weekend.
Okay. And what color is this? Would this be like a mustard?
Yeah,
or?
like a mustard brown.
Okay.
Yeah.
Very cool. It stands out. I love it. And then the rotary has that unique sound, right?
Right.
Yeah. So have you done anything internally to rotary?
No.
It's all stock?
Yeah, all stock.
Okay. And it's red lines, what, about 8?
Yeah, 8, 8,
Yeah.
5.
That's what I imagine.
It's got, like I said, with header and exhaust and flywheel, it like freed it up a little bit for running on turning on.
Okay. Did you do the interior and everything, huh? Wow, look at that. Most, it's all stock.
Yep, all stock.
And that was original, or was it reproduction, or?
Nope, that's original. I did have the bottom part of the seat reupholstered, but the back of the seat still original.
Wow, that's beautiful. Just get a nice pull-out shot there, the dash. I'm gonna sweep across the dash and just get a nice, because I just love how clean it is. Man,
Hard part is no speaker holes cut in the doors. That's the first thing we used to do to them, you know?
Yeah.
Put a stereo in it, cut holes in the doors.
and this one had no.
No speaker holes in the
Oh,
doors.
wow.
No one's touched them.
That's great.
Yeah.
I appreciate your time.
Sure, no problem.
Yeah, it was nice meeting you.
Nice meeting you.
Nice. Well, fam, that's the end of another episode. I want to thank you all for watching. And if you like what you saw today, go ahead and smash that like button. And if you haven't already, subscribe to the channel. I release fresh content weekly. And as a new series, I'm going to feature subscribers, rides, and builds. So if you have a car that you like featured on the channel, or your friend, go ahead and comment below. Or hit me up by email at brettscarmedia@gmail.com. And until next time, stay good, family.